first time, and after first, second, and third time when you started speaking, then how you develop or whether you develop or not, that you say.
Thank you, sir. First time I will conversation with Sunita. I'm not feeling hesitation and anything,
Okay.
but she is my friends.
Okay.
So
Yes.
then next time I will conversation with Didi.
Okay.
I'm good hesitation because I am fast seeing in morning in
Okay.
today.
Okay.
I am feel hesitation and I am feel
Okay.
so excited.
Yes, yes, I can to know
excited.
that. With your friend, you started talking properly,
Yes.
but with newcomer, when you talk to one another, then you got confusion.
Yes, sir.
Not confusion, hesitation or phobia
Hesitation.
was created.
Yes, sir.
So after that, how did you eradicate that problem?
So first time we will conversation, then I feel hesitation small bit actually. But next time we will again conversation, then I will feel great and we will confidence. With confidence we
You
will
got
speak.
confidence. Wow, very
Yes, sir.
good. And next, who can